I want to show you a kit price that made me genuinely stop and check it twice. 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, attached garage, covered front porch, split bedroom design, open living space, and a structural system that is 2.5 times stronger than a traditional wood home, with closed-cell foam insulation sandwiched between 2 zinc-treated boards, engineered to your zip code, for $26,500 as a red iron entry kit. With the SIP's version, the one with insulation, windows, exterior doors, siding, and roofing all included, at $125,000. That's the kit. And when you see what that kit produces inside, you're going to understand why the conventional housing industry doesn't want you to know this exists. If you're building in 2026 and you haven't done the math on this yet, subscribe to Barndominium Haven right now. Hit the bell. Stay till the honest all-in cost, because I'm going to give you the full number, kit plus foundation plus finish, and show you exactly where it lands against the median new construction home in America right now. Let's get into it. The starter. That's the name. And before anyone says, a starter home sounds like a compromise, let me tell you what it actually is. The starter is a practical 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom Barndominium floor plan designed for buyers who want a real home with usable space and a straightforward layout. It includes an attached garage, a covered front porch, open living space, and a split bedroom design that gives the primary suite and second bedroom good separation. Split bedroom design. That's not a minor detail. In a 2-bedroom home, a split bedroom design, where the primary suite is on one side of the living space and the second bedroom is on the other, means acoustic separation between the 2 rooms without a single extra wall. The floor plan geometry is doing the privacy work. That's good design, not a compromise. And this plan works equally well as a full-time home, a retirement build, or a smaller house with the features people actually use every day. Here's what the SIP's kit actually includes, and this is where the $125,000 number starts making sense. SIP's kits typically include structure, insulation, windows, exterior doors, siding, roofing, and internal wall framing. Structure, insulation, windows, exterior doors, siding, roofing, internal wall framing. That's not a shell. That's a nearly complete building envelope. Everything that separates the inside of the building from the outside world, in one kit price. And here's the warranty situation that most people completely overlook. SIPs, sourced from US suppliers, that typically offer a 25-year warranty or better. Windows. Vinyl windows in our kits come with a lifetime warranty for the original homeowner. Metal siding and roofing. Most come with 30 to 40-year warranties, depending on the color and coating style. Lifetime window warranty. 25-year SIP warranty. 30 to 40-year metal roof warranty. Tell me the last time a $400,000 production home came with those specs. I'll wait. Let me walk you through what you're actually living in. 2 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, attached garage, covered front porch, open kitchen and living, split bedroom layout. The primary suite is genuinely private, not a bedroom with a bathroom down the hall. A suite, with its own bathroom directly connected. The second bedroom, on the opposite side of the living space, functions as a guest room, a home office, or whatever you actually need it to be. And here's the detail I keep coming back to. Our most purchased 2-bedroom plan. Builders in 2026 are using the flex room as a dedicated office to avoid the higher taxes and material costs of a 3rd bedroom. People are choosing this deliberately, not because they can't afford more, because they ran the math and figured out that 2 bedrooms plus a dedicated workspace at this price point makes more financial sense than a 3rd bedroom they don't need, at a cost they'd be paying off for 30 years. That's not a compromise. That's a decision. Here's the part I genuinely love about this build. The SIPs system. Our SIP kits are our most complete home kits. These custom homes are made from structurally insulated panels and are typically 2.5 times stronger than a traditional wood home. The panels are made with closed-cell foam insulation sandwiched between two zinc-treated boards, 2.5 times stronger than a traditional wood home, and closed-cell foam insulation built into the panels themselves, not sprayed on afterward, built in at the factory before the kit ever leaves the building. You know what that means for thermal performance? It means continuous insulation. No gaps, no thermal bridges at stud locations, which is the primary failure point of conventional fiberglass bad insulation in wood frame construction, where every stud is a thermal bridge, conducting heat right through your wall. SIPs don't have studs at regular intervals. The insulation is continuous, from one edge of the panel to the other. And the real-world proof of what that means, remember the Lonesome Dove in Tolar, Texas? The SIP's Barndominium, where the owners wrote, "It's so cold here, yet we don't have the heat on, and it's super comfortable in the house." That's not marketing. That's a family in a Texas cold snap reporting what their SIP's building is actually doing. The starter's SIPs kit is the same system, the same panels, the same thermal performance. In a 2-bedroom home at $125,000 for the kit. My favorite feature, the split bedroom geometry. I know, I already mentioned it, but here's why it keeps coming back as my favorite. In a 2-bedroom home, the biggest daily friction point is acoustic interference. One person up at 6 a.m., one person working late, one person taking a call, one person trying to sleep. A split bedroom layout, primary suite on one side of the living area, second bedroom on the other, puts the full length of the open living space between the two sleeping areas. In a barndominium, with an open-plan living zone between the bedrooms, that's 20 to 30 feet of acoustic separation, achieved by floor plan geometry alone. Not soundproofing, not thick walls, not expensive acoustic treatments. Just the decision to put the bedrooms on opposite sides of the room. It's the most elegantly simple acoustic solution in small home design, and it costs nothing. It's just the floor plan. The mistake: upgrading the kit before you understand what the kit already includes. Here's what happens. Someone finds the starter, falls in love with the price, starts talking to a contractor, and the contractor says, "You'll want spray foam insulation." And they say, "Okay." And they add $12,000 for spray foam insulation that the SIP's kit already has built into the panels. Or the contractor says, "You'll need windows," and they budget $8,000 for windows that are already included in the SIP's kit price. This is the most expensive mistake in kit construction, paying twice for things the kit already provides. Read the full kit specification before you budget anything. The SIP's kit includes structure, insulation, windows, exterior doors, siding, roofing, and internal wall framing. Know exactly what's in. Budget only for what's out. Foundation, erection labor, interior finishing, mechanical systems, septic and well, site work. Those are what's out. Everything else is already in the kit. Real numbers. 2026 mid-cost markets. The starter, SIPs kit, $125,000. This includes structure, insulation, windows, exterior doors, siding, roofing, and internal wall framing. As a general guide, most buyers budget $150 to $250 per square foot for a fully finished barndominium when combining kit cost, foundation, labor, and interior finishes. Let's run the honest math on the starter specifically. Kit, SIPs, $125,000. What's not in the kit? Foundation, slab for 2-bedroom footprint plus attached garage, $12,000 to $18,000. Erection labor. SIP's kit installation requires specialized crew, $18,000 to $28,000. Interior finishing. Drywall, flooring, kitchen cabinets and countertops, bathroom fixtures and tile, $28,000 to $45,000. Plumbing rough-in and fixtures, $9,500 to $14,000. Electrical rough-in and panel, $7,500 to $11,000. HVAC. Mini-split system, $5,000 to $8,500. Septic, $8,500 to $12,000. Site work. Clearing, driveway, grading, $5,000 to $12,000. Contingency, 15%, $33,000. Total honest all-in cost, $260,500 to $341,500 fully finished. Mid-cost U.S. market, 2026. The cost to build a Barndominium is $65 to $160 per square foot, or $130,000 to $360. The starter lands right in the achievable range, with the SIP's kit delivering thermal performance that a standard Barndominium at the same price can't match. And here's the number that matters. The median new construction single-family home in America in 2026, over $400,000. The starter, fully finished, move-in ready, $260,500. For a two-bedroom home with a 25-year SIP's warranty, a lifetime window warranty, a 30 to 40-year metal roof, and a thermal performance that means your energy bills are going to look nothing like the conventional house down the street. That's not a starter home. That's a smart home. Here's the honest case for the starter SIP's Barndominium. It's not winning on square footage. It's winning on what each dollar buys you. $125,000 in kit cost, and you have a nearly complete building envelope with specs that most $400,000 production homes don't come close to matching. 2.5 times stronger than wood frame. Lifetime window warranty. 40-year metal roof. Continuous closed cell insulation. No thermal bridges. No fiberglass bats sagging in the wall 5 years from now. The $400,000 house has granite countertops and a 2-car garage and a $3,200 heating bill every winter. The starter SIP's Barndominium has a $65 heating bill and a thermal envelope that's still outperforming in 30 years. You decide which one's the better house. Subscribe to Barndominium Haven. Tell me in the comments, what state are you building in, and is the starter on your shortlist? I want to know, and I'll see you in the next one.